In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook ads in just about 5 minutes. Setting up Facebook ads can seem like a daunting task, but fear not. I'm here to guide you through it, step by step, making sure you know exactly what to do from start to finish. Whether you're promoting your small business, launching a product, or just looking to increase your online presence, mastering Facebook ads is a valuable skill in today's digital world. First thing first, we're going to dive into the Facebook Business Manager. This is where all the magic happens. It's the control room for all your advertising activities on Facebook. So head over to the Facebook Business Manager site. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in with Facebook. Click on it. This is pretty straightforward. You're going to use your usual Facebook credentials to log in. Make sure to choose the account that has the access rights to the advertisement you want to manage. This might seem evident, but ensuring you're using the correct account will save you from any potential frustration down the line. After choosing your account and proceeding, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here in the lower left panel, you're going to look for and click on Ads. This is your gateway to all ad-related functions. Next, there's a button named Ads Manager. Click on it. The Ads Manager is where you'll do most of your work. It's designed to help you manage and analyze your ad campaigns, so taking some time to familiarize yourself with its layout can be very beneficial. Once you're in Ads Manager, it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty. Find and click on Campaigns. This is where your ad campaigns live. You'll see all your past and current campaigns here if you have any. If it's your first time, don't worry, it will be empty. Then move on to the Ad Sets section. Think of ad sets as containers that hold your individual ads. They allow you to organize your ads by themes, target audiences, or however you see fit. By clicking on ad sets, you'll be able to manage these containers, adjust their settings, or create new ones. Now, for any specific adjustments, you'll want to click on Edit next to the ad set of your choosing. This could be anything from the ad set's name, its target audience, or other specific parameters you're looking to tweak. This step is crucial for tailoring your ad to reach its intended audience effectively. One of the essential aspects of your ad set is its budget and schedule. Click on Budget and Schedule to set how much you want to spend and the duration of your ad campaign. It's an instrumental feature because it gives you control over your ad spend, ensuring you don't go over budget. Lastly, you'll want to set an end date for your campaign. Click on Set an End Date and choose the date and time you want your ad set to conclude. It's a good practice to have a clear start and end date for each campaign to measure its effectiveness accurately over a specific period. Choosing a date and time might seem like a minor detail, but it's an integral part of your campaign's planning phase. It allows you to align your advertising efforts with specific events, product launches, or other time-sensitive activities, making your ads more effective. And there you have it. In just about 5 minutes, we've gone through the basics of setting up a Facebook ad, from logging into the Facebook Business Manager, navigating through the Ads Manager, to setting up your campaign's budget, schedule, and end date. Remember, the key to success with Facebook ads lies in experimentation and adjustment. Start with a small budget, test different settings, and see what works best for your specific situation. I hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering Facebook ads. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to rewind and rewatch any part of this guide to solidify your understanding. Happy advertising, and see you in the next video.